It's Craig from Supertech Electronics, and today we're going to show you how to remove an amplifier from a 2012 Prado Kakadu. And the only tools you need today is a 14mm socket and a 10mm socket. Now we've gone ahead and removed our two front bolts from the seat. They live there. And what you'll need to do after you remove those, put the seat all the way forward and then remove the two at the back. Now once you've done that, that will allow this seat to rock back. I will press the point at this stage though, do not unconnect any of the wires going to the seat. They do house an airbag and we don't want to risk setting that off. Now the amplifier does live under here. It's held in by 3 plastic screws. You'll need to remove those. Remove the electrical plugs that go to the amp by pressing the middle pin. Like that, and remove those, and then you can send that whole thing off. That whole thing will come out and send it off to Supertech Electronics for repair.